Ryan Gass here at PTPGun.com, and today we're going to show you the field stripping of this Glock 17. Before we field strip any firearm, we want to double check, make sure the firearm is unloaded. So we're going to go ahead and check. There's no magazine inserted, no round in the chamber. We are good to proceed. All right, we're going to go ahead and pull that slide back and let go. Point the firearm in a safe direction. Even though we already cleared it, we're going to still do that. Pointing the firearm in a safe direction, we're going to go ahead and pull that trigger. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab a hold of the firearm with the thumb in the high tang of the grip, fingers wrapped around the top of the slide, and we're going to squeeze just a little bit, and that's going to bring the slide back for us. While maintaining that, we're going to take our thumb and our middle finger, and we're going to grab on this takedown lever right here. With the takedown lever, it's also the same on both sides. It's one single piece, and you have to grab it from both sides, not one side or the other, both sides at the same time. We're gonna go ahead and pull that piece down, hold it down, slide right off of the frame. Now, the frame, we're done with the frame now. When it comes to field stripping, this is as far as you're gonna take it apart. Set it to the side. We're going to take our spring and spring guide, and just so you know, this is a Gen 3 Glock 17. It has one solid spring and spring guide. We're going to compress that spring down, pull it up and out, and set it to the side. Now we have our barrel. We're going to press it up and out, and pull that out. And then we have our slide itself. So now we have our slide, our barrel, our spring and spring guide, and our frame. From here, the firearm is now field stripped, and you can do any type of cleaning or maintenance you might need to do to the firearm. Now let's get into reassembling this firearm. We're going to take our slide upside down. We're going to drop our barrel in, muzzle first. We're going to take our spring and spring guide. The more pointed end compared to the flat end, the more pointed end, we're going to put that front first towards the muzzle. We're going to press that and put the spring guide into the lug of the barrel. We're going to bring our slide right side up now, and we're going to insert the rail right here on top of the frame into the cutouts of the rear of the slide. We're going to insert those in. We're going to pull that all the way back to the rear and let go. From here, the firearm is now reassembled, but we're going to go ahead and do a functions check to make sure the firearm is properly reassembled. We're going to go ahead, point the firearm in a safe direction. We're going to go ahead and pull the trigger. We're going to pull that slide back, let go, and do that again. Pull the trigger, pull the slide back, let go, and then next we're going to pull the trigger. We're going to hold the trigger to the rear. While holding that trigger to the rear, we're going to go ahead and pull that slide back, let go. Now we're going to release the trigger just until we hear and feel the click. And then we're going to pull the trigger again. Hold it to the rear, pull back, let go, release the trigger until you hear and feel that click. Now we have field stripped and reassembled and even functions checked our Glock 17 Gen 3. For more videos on how to field strip your firearm, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here at PTPGun.com Firearms Training. Also, if you have any particular firearms you would love for us to field strip for you, hit us up in the comments below and we'll be sure to get that done. Thank you all again, stay safe, and as always, train, defend, prevail.